Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting video. Here we are gonna teach you how to make some unique and interesting crafts like this. So here you have to get the sheet, fold it in this manner and get them beautifully secured in this portion. Then you need to cover them up and then color it in this manner, slide them further. Now here get the clay, you need to press them up with the help of your fingers, and then here you need to make some holes and all, and this is gonna look absolutely pretty. Keep on proceeding. Now here also you need to just fold the sheets like this and then make the beak and all, paste the eyes, and these are gonna look super pretty. Now here you need to get the circles and then get the clay, arrange them in this portion, and then you need to color them up in this manner. Make the patterns like this and make the thorns. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. Keep on proceeding. Now here also what you need to do, you need to just get the clay, press them further, and then you need to make the beautiful and lovely boy in this manner, holding something in his hands. Now here you need to get the semicircular sheets and then you need to make it stand in this manner and then get the eyes pasted. These snails are gonna look super cute and adorable. Keep on proceeding. Now here as well what you need to do, you need to secure the sheets like this by making this beautiful patterns. Now what you need to do, you need to secure them up like this and get them beautifully secured like this. Let's see what are we gonna do out of it. You need to just secure it like this and then just make the omelette shape in this manner, and then you just have to color them up further. Now here what are we gonna do, here what you need to do, you need to just make the leaves like this and then get the clay, roll it in this manner, get them pressed with the help of your fingers and get them beautifully attached in this way. Now here you need to get a tissue and further you need to fold them up in this manner, get them beautifully secured with the help of a ribbon. Now here again what are we up to, you need to get the glasses, cut them up in this manner and then you need to press them up in this way. Further what you need to do, you need to just secure them up in this way and make these beautiful flowers, get the sticks attached in this manner and then get the leaves beautifully attached and secured in this way. Then you need to paste them up. These are gonna look super amazing and pretty. Now here you need to just secure like this and this is gonna look absolutely amazing. Keep on proceeding. Now here again what are we up to, you have to get the eyes pasted in this manner and now here you need to just secure it in this way. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. You need to make the tigers like this and then secure it further in this manner. Keep on proceeding. Now what are we up to, you just have to get the clay, attach them and paste them in this manner. Now here what are we up to, you have to just color them up in this manner and get them beautifully secured like this. You need to make these snowmans in this way and these are gonna look absolutely pretty. Keep on proceeding. Now what are we up to, you have to just make it look like this and then secure it in this manner. These are gonna look super cute and amazing. Just color them up further and get them beautifully secured like this and make it look like this.